Field trip time. Heading to the pick and pull salvage yard, and I've never been there before. I have no idea what to expect or how to do it. But I do know that you find your own parts and you pull it off yourself. So I'm gonna throw some tools in a bag and see if I can hunt down something for this truck. Alright, got what I think I'll need. Got my bag, a few random tools, and if this doesn't work, if I can't get whatever I need with that, then I'm sure the people at the salvage yard can help me pull something. It just might cost me a little extra. So let's get this thing packed up. Here we are. Let's start searching. Okay, I think I found what I need. I'm gonna grab my tools. Alright, here it is. Got a couple bolts on the back, it looks like, and one on the front. This one's missing, so get those pulled. Alright, I think we got a seat that'll work.
What is that?
This is a seat. Very dirty, yucky seat that needs to be cleaned.
For like the truck?
Yep.
Which one am I gonna sit? I always like that. I thought you were gonna need to hammer it in, but you're gonna like the other one.
I need to vacuum it and shampoo it and everything else.
I want to help you.
Oh, it's a dog hair in it.
Maybe they had dog.
Looks like it.
Tumbleweed Garage.